Now I'm going to talk about the two readership paths in your body copy. So with your body copy, there are two types of readers. There are the quick readers who just want to browse the subheadlines and they want to get a general idea about what you're saying. And there's the long readers who are going to read every word on your page. And it's important that you cater to both of these readers. And that's because each makes up about half of the people that are going to look at your body copy. So quick readers either don't have the time or the interest in reading all of your copy, but they want to quickly understand your message. And after reading the subheadlines, they're going to decide if they want to invest more time into your copy. Only then, if the story intrigues them, then they're going to take the time to really read your entire copy. And that's opposed to the long readers. And these are the people that will just start from the beginning of your copy and they're going to read all of it. And they find your copy interesting or helpful. Otherwise, they would not be reading it. And these are the type of people that are more likely to purchase your product or service. So if you write effective subheadlines, you want to convert your quick readers into long readers. So here's an example. The subheadlines, "Ask locals to save money" and "Safety is important," are tailored for the quick readers. Those are the people that are not going to read the body text, but I want to give them a gist of what this copy is about. So under the "Ask locals to save money," that whole paragraph could be summed up in that subheadline on top. Same with the paragraph below "Safety is important." In that longer paragraph, the essential message I'm saying is safety is important. So it's important to have these subheadlines throughout your body copy that sum up each section of what you're saying.